want to change your life? Let us talk about a power that can transform your destiny, the power of self-contribution. Have you ever thought that the biggest obstacle to your success might be within yourself? Yes, it is your emotions, desires, and reactions. But all of this can be controlled, and that is the main topic of today's discussion. Once there was a boy named Daniel. He had no plans in life and often left important tasks to enjoy small pleasures. One day, his teacher said, "If you want to achieve great things, first learn to control yourself." These words deeply affected him. Today, Daniel is a successful entrepreneur because he learned how to practice self-control in his life. Self-control means consciously managing your emotions, desires, and behavior. For example, if you see chocolate, but know it is harmful to your health, avoiding it is self-control. This skill can bring success not only to your physical health, but also to your mental and professional life. Research shows that people who practice self-control from a young age are more financially successful and have happier relationships later in life. How can you build self-control? Start by setting clear goals. For example, if you plan to lose 5 kilograms in the next 3 months, you will need to change your eating habits and exercise routine. Take small steps to achieve big goals. Reward yourself when you achieve a goal. This will motivate your brain to keep going. Learn techniques to manage your emotions. When you feel angry or frustrated, take a few seconds to breathe deeply. This can help you stay calm. Surround yourself with positive people who encourage you and avoid negativity as much as possible. For example, Michael Jordan, the world-famous basketball player, never broke his discipline. He knew that without hard work and dedication, achieving his goals would not be possible. His self-control made him one of the greatest players in history. Do you want to take control of your life? Start practicing self-control today. Remember, small steps can bring big changes. Challenge your desires every day and see how it transforms your life. If this video inspires you, do not forget to subscribe. We will bring more important topics that can enrich your life.